Name is Terry Pegg out of Porcupine Plain. Our farm name is T&M Pegg Farms. We're a small farm, basically 5,000 acres. We were at the show here last year and I looked them over and I love the fact that Elmer's Manufacturing is easy to talk to. You can pick up the phone and talk to anybody, anytime, and they make good equipment. It's not hard to figure out when a farmer looks at something, something is well made, and Elmer's stuff is well made. Got our first Elmer's cart last season. Love it, second to none. We had a competitor's cart before that. Was a good cart, I can't lie, but it's nothing compared to this rig. The way the axles steer, the easiness of how you can run them is incredible. We had an issue with the steering axles last year, probably a week into using it. You know what? They sent a young fella out Sunday morning. He worked on it till 10 o'clock at night. Then another fella came when we weren't quite so busy, got it going. Turns out it was a valve, a faulty valve. It was nothing to do with Elmer's Manufacturing, but unbelievable. And I like their service so much, we turned around and we bought their heavy harrow. So salesman sells the first one, service sells the second piece. We did have a field of peas that we picked up, a new field we bought from a neighbor. And the peas were probably 3 feet tall last fall. They went flat. He could not handle any of it. We headed in with that harrow this spring. We just set the hydraulics, we set the tines, 10 miles an hour. It smashed the peas. We turned around the next day, seeded it with a seedock drill, and no bunching, straw, everything seeded perfectly in those peas. So they work very well.
Do you recommend the Hallmaster to other farmers and custom harvesters?
Guaranteed. They are second to none in my opinion.